All right, so the first thing you need to understand is to open Canva, you have to come to your browser and come to the search bar over here and just type canva.com, and it's going to bring you over here to Canva website. So while you're on Canva website, you can see what will you design. You can search directly, or you can have some templates already made and available for you. You can do things like presentations, you can design social media gadgets, you can design videos, you can do marketing, you can do checkout office, and many more from here. So down here you have a bunch of templates designed for you that you can customize and use for your liking. You can play with Canva, you can do videos of different sizes, you can do presentation of different sizes. You can design your presentation over here and present it. You can do Instagram posts, you can design posters, you can design logos, Facebook post, and virtually anything. Okay, A4 document, you can do Instagram story, resumes, you can do your stories, you can do infographics and YouTube thumbnails, and many more. Okay, so start inspired. So with thousands of professional templates, so what makes Canva actually quite interesting and unique is the templates. You have a number of templates, thousands of templates, professional templates, images, and quality content to choose from. Get a head start on bringing your best ideas and work to life. Whatever is your idea, you can find a template that you can easily customize, collaborate with others, and share your pride with others very easily, and you can use it and present. Whether you are presenting or downloading, scheduling, sharing, or printing, Canva is for you. So you have a bunch of templates that you can use to design anything. You can see a range of templates. You can easily browse all templates from here if you want. You can work as a team. Okay, you can work as a team from here, whether you are on your own or part of a small or big local or global team. You can work together. You can edit the same project. You can work simultaneously at the same time. So you can see the different version. At this point, you can go for the free version until you are much satisfied and comfortable. Then you can try the Canva Pro, because there's a lot of features that you benefit from, and it's literally very cheap. I'll put the link in the description, and it's literally very cheap to subscribe, and you can have Canva Enterprise, which is also very nice and fantastic. These are supported companies, okay, loved by these people, and many more. So once you're here, the first thing you need to do is you can browse along to see some of the key features at the top, like the home tab, the design tab, what you can design from social media and videos, marketing office. I have already explained this. You can design Instagram, Facebook, Twitter components and templates, and you can design marketing tools like flyers, logos, posters, and menus. You can do presentation, resumes, graphs, planners, letterheads, and calendar. I will share with you how to do all this in this very long tutorial. You can customize a shirt, and you can do stickers, you can do custom mugs and photo books and labels and many more. You can design invitations, postcards, and greeting cards. I will share with you how to get even external resources and bring in to your Canva experience and make it fantastic and interesting. So there are a bunch of templates, features you can check, and you can learn quite a lot of things, from courses to tutorials to blogging and all that. Okay, so you have a series of plans you can check out and see what you can do, like I've explained earlier. So to start with, you can come to login if you have an account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can just sign up. Click to sign up, and you have the option to log in or sign up in seconds with your Google account or with your Facebook account by just selecting Google or by just selecting Facebook, or you can continue with email. Okay, so you can put continue if you want to log in, or if you want to sign up with your email and password. It's very easy. You just click and you sign up with your email and password. So let me log into my own account, and then I will see you on the other side to continue.